You're grounded.
Yeah, man, I cannot believe I got me still grounded once again. Because I got me still grounded with Lightning McQueen for the last 6 days ago. What am I going to do? I know. I'm going to use this time to get Mr. Apex with the cheering with those little ones. Ha ha! Time now to get the little children cheering started. Hey, Mr. Apex. Hey, Chick Hicks. Hey, Chick Hicks. What's the problem today? Hey, Davey Apex. Do you want to come over to my house to see about that? Yes. I'll make sure. Sorry, I got it ready to go. I'll see you right here. Bye, Davey Apex. See you right here. Okay. What am I here for? You're going to see about that. 2 minutes later. Chick, what are you doing with this thing? You put duct tape on me. Please let me go now, or else I tell you Lightning McQueen. You will never go tell Lightning McQueen about that. For your punishment, I will force you to watch the little children cheering for you. No! Oh, snap.
Wait, you actually have to wear this.
80, 82.
No! Help me! Help me! Alright, Chick Hicks, I'm home right now. I'm home for the groceries. What the? Mr. Apex, what are you doing? Why you got a duct tape for you? Listen here, McQueen. Chick Hicks tried to force me to watch the little children cheering for me. Chick Hicks, did you try to force Mr. Davey Apex to watch the children this time? You better be telling the truth by now, or else you'll be grounded. Yes. I just probably did. I'm so sorry, Lightning McQueen. I gotta grab that duct tape for you right now, Mr. Apex. Did it? Oh my goodness gracious, Chick McDarry Hicks! I could not believe it. Try to force Davey and Plex to force to watch the children cheering. You know that use these things is totally unacceptable. Or these were the ones try to ruin the time. Now Davey and Plex need to go back to the playground until you come back home. That is it. You're grounded for 3 weeks, else you're not going to hang out with your friends, or go over to Jackson Story's house during that time, or other video games either. Now, go to your room right now, or don't you even ever come out. Yeah, I'm going back to Lee Repkin and see about that. Go right now. Fine. Whatever. Screw you, McQueen. Or don't you even ever tell my dad either.